If you see the EPB warning light on your Kia Sportage dashboard, don't panic. It's a common issue many drivers face. The good news, you can likely fix it yourself. No need for a mechanic or expensive repairs. The electronic parking brake, or EPB, uses a button and electric motors instead of the old handbrake lever. Sometimes the system glitches, a warning light appears, or the brake gets stuck or won't engage. But don't stress, these are usually minor electronic hiccups, not major failures. In this guide, we'll show you 3 simple reset methods you can try at home, using just your car's controls. We'll also cover a quick fuse check, since a blown fuse can trigger the EPB warning light. We'll start with the easiest fix and work up, just like rebooting your phone or computer. Often, a quick reset or check is all it takes to get your EPB working again. Let's get your Kia Sportage back on the road. No garage visit needed. The EPB in your Sportage is a brake-by-wire system. No cables, just a button, a control module, and motors on the rear brakes. It's efficient and integrates with your car's safety features, but it's also vulnerable to software glitches. A low battery, interrupted signal, or random error can trigger a warning light or lock the brake. Most of the time, it's not a broken part, just a confused computer. If you see the EPB or auto hold lights flashing, or the brake won't engage or release, a reset can often fix it. Remember, resets fix electronic faults, not mechanical failures. Let's walk through the main reset methods to get your EPB back on track. If your electronic parking brake isn't working right, try these quick resets before heading to a mechanic. First, the basic button reset. With the ignition on and engine off, press and hold the brake pedal. Then, hold the EPB button down for 5 seconds, pull it up for 5 seconds, and repeat this cycle twice. If that doesn't work, try a battery reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal, wait 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This can clear deeper glitches. Still stuck? Enter service mode. Ignition on. Press the accelerator fully. Hold the EPB button down, then cycle the ignition off and on. Listen for the EPB motor cycling. After each step, check your dashboard and test the brake. If the warning light stays on, don't worry. There's more you can try next. If the EPB reset didn't work, check your car's fuses first. Open the fuse box, usually in the engine bay or under the dash, and replace any blown fuses labeled EPB or parking brake. Next, use an OBD2 scanner to read any EPB fault codes. Plug it into the diagnostic port under the dashboard. The scanner will show error codes. These tell you if it's a simple fix, like a faulty sensor, or something more complex. If it's a sensor, you might be able to replace it yourself. For control module or actuator issues, see a professional mechanic. You've done the basics. Now let the experts handle the rest. Don't let a warning light intimidate you. Most EPB issues are simple to fix. Start with the button reset, try the battery disconnect, and use service mode if needed. These steps solve most problems and can save you a trip to the garage. If the issue persists, you've gathered valuable info for your mechanic. You're now equipped to handle EPB glitches with confidence. Take charge, follow the steps, and get your Sportage back on the road. You've got this.